new Tesla Semi-factory is slated for completion by the end of next year and is poised to significantly enhance production capacity. This facility is designed with an ambitious annual production target of 50,000 semis, which reflects Tesla's commitment to meeting growing market demands. Furthermore, the Tesla Semi is specifically engineered to cater to diverse global markets, enabling it to effectively address emissions challenges within the transportation sector. This strategic design incorporates necessary adjustments to comply with varying regulations across Europe and Asia. In terms of performance, the Tesla Semi showcases remarkable metrics, achieving a range of 500 miles while carrying a payload of 75,000 pounds. Additionally, it demonstrates impressive capabilities in ascending steep gradients, positioning it as a competitive choice within the freight market. Moreover, the Tesla Semi's regenerative braking system facilitates energy recovery during downhill driving, thereby enhancing overall efficiency. This innovative feature contributes to a reduction in operational costs when compared to conventional trucks. In practical applications, DHL's testing of the Tesla Semi has revealed its capacity to efficiently manage heavy loads, surpassing expectations during extensive real-world trials. Notably, the vehicle successfully completed a journey carrying 75,000 pounds of cargo. Additionally, the integration of full self-driving technology into the Tesla Semi presents a significant opportunity to enhance safety and diminish reliance on human drivers. This advancement renders the Semi a more attractive option for logistics companies. Demonstrating its commitment to sustainable practices, PepsiCo has placed an order for 100 Tesla Semis, underscoring the trend among major corporations towards electrification in their logistics operations. This decision reflects a broader shift towards sustainable fleet solutions in the industry. Addressing a critical concern, Tesla's Semi is set to tackle the issue of range limitation in electric trucks, offering potential capabilities of up to 700 miles. This advancement has the potential to significantly transform long-haul freight operations and improve driver efficiency. In addition, the introduction of megawatt charging stations is aimed at minimizing charging durations for heavy-duty trucks, aligning them with traditional diesel refueling times. This innovation is essential for facilitating the widespread adoption of electric trucks within logistics. As regulatory frameworks in markets such as Australia evolve, they are creating a more conducive environment for electric trucks to operate. These changes encompass modifications to vehicle size regulations, which may significantly influence Tesla's strategic expansion efforts. Tesla is committed to catering to global markets, including Europe and China, where regulations pertaining to emissions are becoming increasingly stringent. This trend is likely to drive heightened demand for electric trucks, such as the Tesla Semi. Finally, the Tesla Semi presents formidable specifications, including a range of up to 500 miles and rapid charging capabilities, thus enhancing its competitive edge in the trucking industry. However, it remains imperative for further technological advancements to continue evolving in this sector. Capability to support full-scale production of the Semi Generation 2 within a span of 1.5 years, effectively addressing prior design deficiencies. These enhancements are pivotal for the vehicle's entrance into the market and overall success. Moreover, the establishment of adequate mega chargers continues to present a considerable challenge for the Tesla Semi. This infrastructure development is integral to facilitating the widespread adoption of electric trucks. The assembly of the Semi depends significantly on skilled engineers, with 70 to 80% of the manufacturing process being performed manually. This reliance underscores the inherent complexity of producing this electric truck, which distinctly contrasts with Tesla's automated production methodologies employed for its smaller vehicle models. Subsequently, Tesla's original pricing strategy, which initially targeted a competitive market position, has undergone a transformation. This shift is attributed to the complexities associated with production and emerging advancements, resulting in a notable increase in costs. This evolution underscores the changing dynamics of Tesla's product economics. In recent observations, Tesla Semis spotted at the Nevada factory indicate considerable progress in production. A variety of models have been documented, including potential sleeper cab variants. These developments signify Tesla's ongoing innovation and expansion within the electric truck sector. The redesigned Tesla Semi incorporates enhanced aerodynamic features, which could further augment energy efficiency. Achieving a reduced drag coefficient is critical for optimizing performance and extending the range for fleet operators. Notably, the Tesla Semi achieves a significantly lower drag coefficient in comparison to traditional diesel trucks, contributing to its superior performance and diminished energy consumption. Furthermore, the upgraded Tesla Semi is engineered to accommodate higher payloads, enabling fleets to optimize their cargo capacity while adhering to the same gross weight limits. This advancement highlights significant improvements in design. However, The development of mega charger stations introduces logistical complications, including elevated costs and extensive coordination efforts. These factors affect the timely rollout of the necessary charging infrastructure for Tesla semis. Additionally, the introduction of the 4680 battery technology presents high energy density while simultaneously reducing manufacturing costs. This advancement marks a significant leap forward in Tesla's battery systems and is crucial for enhancing production efficiency. The next generation Tesla Semi strives for a 15% improvement in energy consumption, thereby bolstering its competitiveness against other heavy-duty trucks from manufacturers such as Daimler and Volvo. This level of efficiency is essential for supporting long-haul operations. Significantly, the expansion at Giga Nevada plays a critical role in increasing the production capacity of 4680 cells, which are vital for scaling not only the Tesla Semi but also other forthcoming models. This strategic initiative is aligned with Tesla's overarching growth objectives. Additionally, the expansion of Tesla's Nevada facility is poised to enhance production capacity, potentially leading to expedited delivery timelines for both the Cybertruck and the Semi models. However, the current constraints on Tesla semis are largely attributed to the inadequate availability of megachargers. This shortage adversely affects the overall deployment and operational efficiency of the trucks. Finally, there exists a pronounced focus on the long-term operational benefits associated with the Tesla Semi. Analyzing its pricing in relation to energy savings is paramount for potential buyers contemplating an investment. Tesla is actively constructing a dedicated factory for semi-truck production, with anticipated completion by the end of the following year. This facility is projected to enable an annual production target of 50,000 semis, thereby significantly enhancing the company's overall production capabilities. In conjunction with the factory development, Tesla plans to manufacture various versions of the Semi to cater to global markets, particularly in Europe and Asia. This strategy necessitates modifications in size and features to comply with local regulations, ensuring that the vehicles meet specific regional standards. The performance attributes of the Tesla Semi are noteworthy. The truck is capable of ascending at 10% grade at a speed of 60 miles per hour, even when fully loaded. This remarkable capability distinctly differentiates it from other heavy-duty trucks available in the market. DHL's extensive testing of the Tesla Semi has demonstrated its ability to haul significant weights over considerable distances on a single charge, showcasing the operational practicality of the vehicle. This finding reinforces the potential for electric trucks to compete effectively in logistics. The integration of full self-driving, FSD technology into the Tesla Semi presents an opportunity to enhance safety measures while simultaneously reducing operational costs through the potential elimination of drivers. This innovation could transform the logistics industry by optimizing efficiency. Furthermore, DHL drivers have reported notable improvements in driver comfort and overall performance, suggesting that electric trucks can indeed match or surpass the efficiency and effectiveness of traditional diesel vehicles. In a significant move towards sustainable logistics, PepsiCo has placed an order for 100 Tesla Semis and has already received 86 units. This commitment underscores PepsiCo's dedication to electrifying its logistics operations, demonstrating a critical step towards achieving its sustainability objectives. Tesla's semi-trucks are strategically designed to address the range limitations commonly associated with electric vehicles, boasting potential ranges of up to 700 miles. Such advancements could potentially revolutionize long-haul freight transport, fulfilling the demands of fleet operators. Moreover, the development of Tesla's megawatt charging stations is aimed at facilitating rapid charging times, thereby enhancing the competitiveness of electric trucks in comparison to their diesel counterparts. This innovation is essential for promoting the widespread adoption of electric freight fleets. Local production of Tesla's semi-trucks in the United States plays a vital role in demonstrating the demand and practical applications of electric trucking. Achieving success in this market is likely to set the stage for broader global distribution. As global regulations continue to evolve in support of electric trucks, recent adjustments in Australia's truck size limits illustrate an encouraging trend. Such regulatory changes facilitate Tesla's entry into new markets, enhancing the feasibility of their operations. Lastly, Tesla's ambition to expand its manufacturing footprint includes potential production facilities in China, aimed at meeting local demand and regulatory requirements. This strategic approach will not only help in reducing costs but also in bolstering Tesla's presence in the competitive global market. Advancements in battery efficiency and a reduction in costs, the Tesla Semi is positioned not only as an affordable option but also as a means of substantial fuel savings when compared to traditional diesel trucks. The Tesla Semi Gen 2 is engineered for superior performance, boasting increased payload capacity along with advanced self-driving capabilities. This innovation establishes a new benchmark in the electric trucking sector. Elon Musk has underscored the significance of obtaining real-world feedback from existing prototypes to enhance the Semi's design. This commitment ensures the development of a contemporary and technologically advanced vehicle for future applications. The new design incorporates features such as redesigned headlights and a streamlined front bumper, which not only enhance the vehicle's modern aesthetics but also improve aerodynamics, thereby contributing to greater energy efficiency. With a projected reduction in drag coefficient to 0.34, the Tesla Semi is capable of achieving improved acceleration and energy savings in comparison to conventional diesel trucks, resulting in enhanced operational efficiency. The advancements in cargo capacity and weight optimization enable the Tesla Semi to transport larger quantities of goods more efficiently, effectively catering to the logistics sector while adhering to stringent safety standards. The anticipated price of the Tesla Semi is expected to exceed $250,000, mirroring the substantial price increase seen with the Cybertruck since its initial announcement. Nevertheless, government incentives can assist in alleviating costs for fleet operators. When compared to conventional diesel trucks, the Tesla Semi offers fleet operators the potential to save approximately $200,000 in fuel costs over a span of 3 years. This significant saving positions the Semi as an appealing investment despite its higher initial financial outlay. Volvo's SuperTruck 2 features a hybrid propulsion system that enhances fuel efficiency and reduces overall weight, making it a formidable rival to the fully electric Tesla Semi in the commercial trucking landscape. The Tesla Semi has showcased remarkable capabilities, logging extensive daily distances while efficiently handling heavy loads, thereby outperforming competitors across a range of performance metrics. This positions the Semi as a practical leader in the commercial trucking market. Ordering a Tesla Semi for 2026 requires direct interaction with Tesla's commercial division, as public reservations are no longer available. Notably, several high-profile companies have already secured their orders for this innovative vehicle. While the costs associated with the 2026 Semi are projected to increase, its diminished operating expenses and lower maintenance requirements render it financially appealing over time. It is advisable for companies to plan their budgets accordingly. The production timeline for the facility is of paramount importance to the logistics sector, with the latter half of 2026 earmarked for the commencement of commercial availability. This timeline positions Tesla as a frontrunner in electric truck manufacturing. Tesla intends to incorporate its semi-trucks into its supply chain operations, taking on the role of the inaugural customer and prioritizing deliveries based on early reservations from major logistics firms. This strategic approach aims to bolster operational efficiency. The updated Semi model showcases advanced design features, including refined aerodynamics and improved driver visibility, which significantly enhance its efficiency for long-haul operations. This redesign epitomizes Tesla's unwavering commitment to innovation. The long-range variant of the Tesla Semi is now priced at $290,000, a significant increase from the initially projected cost of $180,000. This substantial price hike is likely to influence buyer interest and market dynamics. In contrast, the standard range version, which offers a range of 325 miles, is reported to be priced at approximately $260,000. This competitive pricing may potentially sway purchasing decisions among businesses in the logistics sector. Factors such as inflation and elevated manufacturing costs have posed challenges for Tesla in adhering to its original pricing strategy. This scenario reflects broader economic pressures currently affecting the automotive industry. The Tesla Semi is available in two configurations, standard and long range, each with distinct weight and range specifications. Both configurations are equipped with 3 motors, emphasizing high efficiency and performance. Although the initial purchase price of the Tesla Semi is higher than that of conventional diesel trucks, it is projected to reach a break-even point within approximately 4 years due to reduced energy expenditures. This long-term financial advantage enhances its competitiveness. Criticism directed at the Tesla Semi has focused on its weight, which can adversely affect payload capacity. This concern underscores the logistical challenges that may arise when compared to traditional freight trucks. The Semi's advanced battery chemistry, which utilizes high-energy density 4,680 cells, has significantly optimized its weight efficiency, surpassing industry expectations. This innovative development is paramount for ensuring the economic viability of the vehicle. Tesla's Semi achieves an energy consumption rate of merely 1.7 kilowatt-hours per mile, which considerably outperforms the Model 3's efficiency metrics. This remarkable energy efficiency establishes a new benchmark within the electric vehicle sector. The incorporation of an electric power takeoff system enables the Semi to operate auxiliary equipment, such as refrigerated trailers, directly from its primary battery source. This feature not only reduces emissions but also simplifies operational complexity, presenting a significant advantage in logistics management. Production of the Tesla Semi has faced multiple delays, with initial expectations set for a launch in 2019. This pattern reflects a broader trend within Tesla of frequently adjusting ambitious production timelines. The U.S. Class 8 heavy-duty truck market encompasses approximately 245,000 units annually, while actual demand for electric trucks remains constrained due to insufficient charging infrastructure. This presents a key barrier to widespread adoption. Current projections suggest that Tesla may deliver fewer than 20,000 semis by the year 2026, illustrating the uncertainties that surround the company's ambitious production targets and market outlook.